Today, we're going to show you how to adjust the session duration in Advanced Server Access, or ASA for short. First off, let's talk about what session duration is. In ASA, session duration is the amount of time a user can stay logged in before needing to log in again. By default, this is set to 10 hours. Now, let's dive into how you can change this setting. Start by logging in with your admin account. Once you're in, look to the top right of your screen and click on your username. In the drop-down menu, select Team Settings. You'll now be on the Team Settings page. Here, find the Client Session Duration setting. Change this value to whatever duration suits your team's needs. Don't forget to save your settings. A quick note: these changes will take effect the next time a user logs in. If someone is already logged in, their current session duration won't change until they log in again. And that's it! You've successfully changed the session duration in ASA. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.